One thing I do want to say to clothing brands is if you are making stuff like this, maybe come up with bigger cup size as well. Maybe you can offer options in that. And Zara की सारी ही dresses में इतना deep neckline है ना. Hi guys, this is Lishavata and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a huge try on Zara haul. I know मेरे सारे Zara के hauls ना huge बन जाते हैं, मतलब छोटे orders हो ही नहीं पाते Zara पे. एक तो everything is so expensive at Zara and वो करते 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 पता नहीं चलता कार्ट कब 50,000 पे पहुंच जाती है. So इस बार भी काफी बड़ा ऑर्डर मैंने प्लेस कर दिया to make the most of the remaining summers and since winters आने वाला है we're probably already going through autumn I guess. इंडिया में तो वैसे भी आता नहीं है to be very frank with you. There's no fall season in India but yeah, to make the most of the remaining summer I ordered like a few sexy dresses. पूरा summer से मैंने कुछ भी like अच्छा वाला टाइप्स एक सेक्सी वाला टाइप्स पहना ही नहीं बिकॉज घर पे थे एंड देन आई वाज आल्सो लाइक आई हैड गेन्ड सो मच वेट सो आई वाज नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल आल्सो वेयरिंग सच ड्रेसेस एंड बाय द वे आई लॉस्ट द वेट and I gained it back again. So actually I've realized I tend to stress eat a lot and I definitely need to work on it and take some help for it. I'm trying to figure out the right people. That's something I'll talk about someday in the distant future or the near future, who knows. But yeah, so I gained back all that weight and now I'm just like I want to wear these dresses. I'm not going to wait another year to wear them, okay? And anyway, if you are new to my channel then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. I also am starting weekly giveaways from this week, so every week there will be a new giveaway. It could be in any of the videos. It's a secret giveaway, so make sure you watch the entire video to know how to enter. I think I'll be running these giveaways till Diwali, so this is really exciting. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have is this beautiful corset that I got from Zara. This is actually my first ever corset. I've never bought a corset before or even worn one, so I absolutely loved the fit of this one. It fits me like a glove. I got the size medium, so I definitely ordered a size up. Now this is the thing with Zara, I'm usually a size small, but जो भी fitted clothes होते हैं ना, small does not fit me, it's too tight, so I always buy a bigger size. And जो loose fit वाली dresses या tops होते हैं, that I buy like a smaller size. So it has these buckles on the back and this looks so sexy and I love this green tweed design. I actually thought I'll wear this so often in winters, but look what happened. So इसका जो कॉर्सेट की वायर्स है ना अंदर से, आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन टेल बट इसकी प्लास्टिक वायर्स आर पोकिंग आउट फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड. सो इस साइड से भी इफ यू कैन सी निकल आई है एंड दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज वेयरिंग इट. व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी चेक? Like come on, this cost rupees 2000. 2000 is a decent pricing for a corset, but then agar aise plastic wires will poke out, then what's the point? I end up hurting myself. So I love the fit, I love the design, but this plastic wire coming out is so not okay. The next item that I have is this gorgeous cotton dress. This was love at first sight. I love such summer dresses. So this is a light pastel blue color. I love this shade. I don't know what exactly is the shade called. It's like a mix of grey and blue but in a very lighter tone. I really like it, and it has this cute little floral embroidery throughout the dress, and it has this ruffled trim on the neckline, and it also has these long puffed sleeves. Overall I really liked it. I mentioned when it's a loose fit I always order size down, so this is extra small and yet this was very loose and flowy on me. But one thing I just realized is the price. So this cost rupees 4500 for a cotton dress. Are you kidding me? I mean, I know it's Zara, but फिर भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like 4500 to me is a bit much. Again, like our pricing is very subjective. You know, जो चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत expensive है, किसी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं होगा, and जो मेरे लिए affordable है, वो किसी के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा expensive हो सकता है. But 4500 I feel बिल्कुल भी जस्टिफाइड प्राइस नहीं है फॉर अ कॉटन ड्रेस, बट आई रियली डू लाइक इट एंड अब आ गई है तो रख लूंगी. बट अगर मैंने देखा होता ना प्राइस कार्ट में, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं लेती इसको फॉर श्योर. एंड अनदर प्रॉब्लम दैट आई डू हैव विद दिस, इसकी स्लीव्स भी ना बहुत लंबी है. एक ये इशू ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आया दिस टाइम विद द ज़ारा ड्रेसेस. एवरीथिंग वाज फॉलोइंग like way below my wrist, and since these are like looser sleeves you can't even like tie it up या कुछ. And if I'm spending 4,500 on a dress, the last thing I'm gonna do is get it altered. So yeah, didn't like that part. The next thing I have is this gorgeous midi skirt. I actually forgot to take a video, like a try on with this, but I'll put pictures of it somewhere here. So this has this gathered detailing on the front along with a front slit. I love it. This looks so nice and summery. I'm sad I didn't purchase this earlier. Actually Zara की website पे अभी मुझे देखा था, पहले नहीं था. I would have probably worn this all summer. It fits me like a glove. Love the fit. It's not too tight on my hips, neither is it too loose. So in bottoms I'm a medium, and उससे क्या होता है, like on my hips it fits comfortably, but on the waist it's quite loose. But this one actually fit me really well on the waist. अब मुझे ये नहीं पता मैंने inches gain कर ली अपने waist पे कि इसका fit अच्छा है. I don't know about that, but yeah, this fit me really well. This was a size medium. Absolutely love it. So the next thing I have is this beautiful pink and orange top. So it's actually made of linen, so it's a very comfortable fabric, and it has this asymmetrical neckline along with a one shoulder strap. It also has this gathered detailing on the front. Like when I wear it, it just fits my torso so well, and I love it. It's bright, it's summery, it's super pretty. I've been wearing this very often, and in fact जो भी समझ का remaining bit पड़ा, I'll be wearing this a lot. So this cost rupees 1900, which I think is a decent enough price. Also another thing that I want to mention is Zara की sale आने वाली है, so a lot of these items will actually go on sale. So keep an eye out in case you do like something, bookmark it. I will be linking all the links to these outfits below. And I got this in a size medium, fitted tha to medium, and trust me, this fits me really well. Next we have is my favorite piece from the entire haul. So this is a black crop top, like a corsety crop top, and I love it. Oh my god, this fits so well. It has a nice beautiful sweetheart neckline, and the best part is the straps are adjustable. This is something I struggle with a lot because अगर straps adjustable नहीं होते, that top is practically useless to me because I cannot get stuff altered. वो बस फिर मेरी wardrobe में पड़े रह जाते हैं. This fits really well, has a beautiful back, it has a zip on the sides. I really like it. The only thing is this is a bit too deep, and this is an issue that I'm facing a lot with a lot of brands. If you want to wear something which is nice or slightly sexy, I feel like these outfits are just not made for women with bigger busts. So this one also, this fits really nice, but it's a bit too deep and it reveals a bit too much. But I know आज मैं दिल्ली में ये बाहर पहन के गई ना, तो I will feel uncomfortable. Forget other people, I will feel uncomfortable. So मेरा बहुत मन है ये पहनने का बाहर. Maybe I'll wear it with a jacket so that it's not too revealing either, but the fit is just beautiful, you guys. One thing I do want to say to clothing brands is, if you are making stuff like this, maybe come up with bigger cup size as well. Maybe you can offer options in that, because that would be seriously helpful, and I could like rock this without any worries. Next we have this beautiful pleated dress. It has a floral print all over. I love it. It has a tie back and a very deep V neckline. Now I was not expecting the neckline to be that deep. Model पे इतना नहीं लग रहा था. And I also really like the sleeves. They just fall so well. And I'm the kind of person who does not really like wearing spaghetti tops or inners inside. I just feel like वो look ना dress का खराब हो जाता है. And Zara की सारी ही dresses में इतना deep neckline है ना. Problem with this, the way this sits, at least on my body, is like my boobs are like twine. They're going like this, okay? And it's not a nice look. I didn't really like it. So yeah, that is my final thought on this dress. Then we have this beautiful black jumpsuit. It's made of linen and it has these long puff sleeves. It also has embroidery on the sleeves, the neckline, as well as the bottom. And it has a zip at the back. This fits really well. I did order a size up. This is medium. I love the way it looks on me, but वही problem है, इसका भी neckline काफी deep है. If I'm going out, I'll definitely have to wear something inside, which I will do because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. And I feel like if I belt it up with like a brown belt, this is gonna look so good. This was definitely on the expensive side. 4600 का है basically, तो expensive है, but मेरे को पसंद है, तो मैं रख रही हूँ. So before we continue with the haul, here is a giveaway update. There will be one winner who will win all these products. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you stay notified of all my new videos. Also hit the like button of this video, and lastly, just comment down below, tell me that you've entered the giveaway and what did you think of this haul. That's all you gotta do. Now moving on to the other products. From not owning a single corset in my life, I have bought like 3 in this haul. So I have another white corset from Zara. Looks gorgeous. It has these really beautiful straps and hooks at the back. Again, this fits me really well. I loved the corsety type of crop tops that I got from Zara. Actually, for me though, this is a corset, but Zara has mentioned it a corsety top, so I'm not exactly sure. But this looks so beautiful. Has a very flattering sweetheart neckline. इसकी बस एक यही प्रॉब्लम है कि जो straps हैं ये adjustable नहीं है, unlike the black one. So this is very loose on me and this keeps on dropping. So hopefully मुझे याद रहेगा and I will get it altered, but this is an issue. I would have preferred if these were adjustable straps, but otherwise I love it. And I think price wise be decent, considering it's Zara. It costs $19.90 and I think to me it is decent pricing. Next we have this bright bodycon dress. Guys, I've never worn a bodycon in my life, like ever. I've always been so conscious of my tummy and my wide hips that I've never had the audacity or the guts to wear a bodycon. But I'm telling you, as I'm growing older, I'm just getting more comfortable with my body and more about screw everything. I got this really beautiful bodycon dress. It has these gorgeous balloon sleeves, fits really well. Tummy definitely निकलता है, like unless you have a flat tummy, bodycon में तो देखो tummy दिखेगा. So even in the try on that you see, I am wearing a tummy tucker inside and फिर भी tummy काफी निकल रहा था, but I'm like okay with it now. Really like the material of this as well, and the price of this was rupees 1990. Remember when I said I got sexy dresses? This is one of them. So got this beautiful printed ruffle dress. So this fits me beautifully. It is a size medium, has this ruffled hemline and a zip on the side. And what I love the most is the draping of this dress. It's because of the draping that even if you have flab at the wrong places, it just gets camouflaged so well. And also the back, so if you have smaller hips, it's gonna make your hips look bigger, and if you have really big hips like I do, then it's just gonna add really nice shape to it. It looks so good. I love the way this dress fits me. I do feel like it's a bit too short. Like if I sit, thoda sa uncomfortable ho jata and I have to be a bit conscious of the way I'm sitting. So that way it is short, and I am someone who's 5'1". So कोई मेरे से और लंबा होगा तो उसके लिए काफ़ी ये ड्रेस छोटी होगी. तो keep that in mind if you plan on purchasing it. Then we have this beautiful collar top. It has this hoop in the front and these long sleeves. The sleeves are way too long and there are quite a few things that I don't like. I will tell you what I do like. I love the shade of this color. I bought it plainly for the shade because these are not the kind of tops I wear. I'm sure you guys have never seen me in something like this, and I just thought experiment कर ही लेते, इतना कर ही रहे तो. But एक तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इसकी ये, इसकी स्लीव्स बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हैं, and even if I fold it, because they're so loose or fold होके भी बिल्कुल भी अच्छे से fit नहीं बैठती. Then my second issue with this is the hoop. Now I thought ये hoop ना, like I was hoping this hoop will sit on my waist, like below my bust, but this sits right between your bust. It is a bit tricky. You will need a lot of boob tape to keep them in place. Otherwise कुछ ना कुछ malfunction होगा for sure. I'm not very comfortable wearing these tops. अगर ये waist पे sit करता then I would have loved it. And plus the sleeves, they just don't fit me well, but the color I like. Then we have this dress, the dress that I am wearing. So this is a collared dress with a ruffled hemline. I love the print. The fabric is very beautiful, very soft on the skin, very comfortable to wear. But the only issue is the neckline. मैं बार बार ना इसको adjust कर रही हूँ. Like I cannot wear it outside without an inner because the neckline is too deep and धीरे धीरे करते करते वो और नीचे आती रहती है. So that was my biggest issue with this dress. Otherwise, I love such dresses. This is totally my vibe. I wear these dresses throughout the summer. So obviously, I really liked it. But yeah, I really want Zara to come up with decent necklines. Now इस ड्रेस में देखो कुछ भी सेक्सी नहीं था. This was one of those modest dresses जो आपको पता है कि कुछ ज़्यादा revealing नहीं है. It's a comfortable dress. So if I'm buying a comfortable dress, why would I want a deep neckline? I want to feel comfortable in it. I don't want to be conscious about things showing. Like, they definitely need to work on their necklines. Thank you. And next, then we have this gorgeous midi dress. So it has a slit on the front along with a buttoned back. But the thing is, the back is completely like khul jata hai piche se. So basically, it's like an open buttoned back. The neckline is also really beautiful, has this gathering on the neckline. This is what I really like about some of the dresses that I got this time. The fit is just beautiful. So overall, I really like the dress. I love the color. This is such a favorite of mine. Looks really beautiful, especially on the warmer complexion. In fact, I've done a shoot with this, so you can check those pictures on my Instagram. What I don't like, of course, is the back is completely open. So either you need to wear like a backless bra, like cups, or you need to wear nipple pads. If you are comfortable with that, great. If you're someone who does not like those, then this dress is probably not a good option for you. Then we have this beautiful printed dress. Again, this is also a drape dress, just like the white one that I showed you. And it has an asymmetrical neckline with a strap on one side. Unfortunately though, this dress did not even fit me. So as you can see, I got the size medium and ये fit ही नहीं आया. So the other similar design dress, the white one, fit me really well, which was also size medium. But ये तो like, this did not even go below my shoulders. I actually like feel like I pulled something on my arm while trying to fit into this, and then थोड़ी देर बाद में like जब यहाँ पे अटक गया, मैंने कहा यार ये नहीं होने वाला, आज तो नहीं ये fit आने वाली. So I just decided to let it be because I feel like ये ना फट जाती ड्रेस, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट है. तो मैं क्या ही कहूँ इसके बारे में, तो फिट ही नहीं आ रही मुझे. Another drape dress, and one that I was most excited about. Just look at the color, look at the print, look at the draping. Everything about this dress looks so pretty, and it has these straps as well. So ये मुझे fit आ गई थी, but the bust area did not fit me well. The bust is very small. This is a size medium, as you can tell, and बहुत ही छोटा size बनाया है इन्होंने, and everything was falling out from the wrong places. Now on the model this fits really well. It covers her bust area really well, and यहाँ पे सिर्फ midriff दिखता है. But this was too revealing for me. I could not even try it on to show it to you guys because it was a bit too much. So yeah, if you are smaller chested, this will fit you really well. But if you are bigger chested, this is not for you. So I have another top which is similar to the purple one that I showed with the hoop in the middle. So iska fortunately hoop sits right on my waist. Why I'm not showing the try on with this is simply because this is see-through. So even if you're wearing like cups inside or a nude bra or anything, basically anything inside, it just shows up and it looks very blah. Like, it's not a good look. I would not wear this outside, and I definitely didn't want to film wearing it. So nope, I don't like it. Pretty see-through, definitely needed a lining inside. Now the last thing that I have in the haul are these gorgeous lavender heels. I saw them online like a couple of months ago and I really wanted it, but then I was like, sale mein le lenge because it's too expensive. Like, Zara heels are very expensive, but it's so pretty. बट मेरे साथ ना बहुत बुरा हुआ है इस बार. तो जब पैकेज आया था मैंने ट्राई किया, मेरे को लगा ये फिट ठीक हो रहा है, तो आई रिमूव द टैग्स, आई टुक इट फॉर अ शूट, एंड यू वोंट बिलीव इट, शूट पे वहाँ पे मुझे पता चलता है कि इसका ना ट्रायल हुआ हुआ है, किसी ने बेसिकली ट्राई किया होगा. सो दिस बिट, द लेफ्ट वन, इसका स्ट्रैप बिल्कुल ही मुझे लूज है, इतना ज़्यादा लूज है कि मेरा पैर निकल रहा है उसमें से. बट ये इस वाले का बिल्कुल परफेक्ट फिट है. तो अब सिंस सैग्स भी मैंने निकाल दिया, कांट इवन एक्सचेंज इट, नाइदर कैन आई वेयर इट बिकॉज इसमें बिल्कुल मेरा पूरा पैर निकल रहा है. हाउ डू आई टाइटन दिस अप? लाइक दैट्स नॉट इवन पॉसिबल. आई एम सो डिसअपॉइंटेड विद ज़ारा. व्हाट अबाउट योर क्वालिटी चेक? तो प्रॉब्ली यही होगा, किसी ने ट्राई किया होगा एंड देन उसको नहीं फिट आया, उसे रिटर्न कर दिया, उन्होंने मुझे भेज दिया. यार मतलब this cost me a lot. I think this was 3,000-4,000 rupees. I'm not even sure price लगा दूंगी स्क्रीन पे, एंड फिर जब मैं देखूंगी ना अपनी खुद की वीडियो तब मैं रियलाइज करूंगी कि मेरा कितना बड़ा लॉस हुआ है. सो या अगर मेरे को फिट आ जाती तो वुड हैव बीन कम्प्लीटली वर्थ इट, बट सिंस मुझे फिट नहीं आए, I'm very unhappy about it. So with that, we end my huge try on Zara haul. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know what pieces were your favorite and the outfits that you just did not like. Also, I'm really excited for the festive season. So please tell me below which other website I need to try for Indian ethnic wear. I would love to do them for you. And if you're interested in my other hauls, then you can check out these videos. I really hope you enjoyed watching this one, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye!